Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. It's 2025, and we're all about that next level glow up, but today we're doing it differently. We're talking about the most underrated part of your glow up. Your hands and feet. Yep, you heard that right.
Yes!
Because what's the point of a glowing face if your hands and feet look dry, dull, and neglected? So grab a snack, sit back, and let's dive in. Why hands and feet matter. People notice your hands and feet when you shake hands, when you wear slides or sandals. So let's fix that with easy, affordable hacks. Hack 1. Mix sugar plus lemon juice plus olive oil. Scrub your hands for just 1 minute. Rinse and feel the softness instantly. Tip: do this 2 to 3 times a week. Hack 2. Apply sunscreen on hands daily, yes, daily. It prevents darkness, wrinkles, and sunspots. Hack 3. Nail game on point. Trim, file, and clear polish or oil on nails. Even guys, neat nails equals fresh vibes. Try Vaseline or coconut oil on cuticles at night. Hack 4. Apply a rich cream or oil wear cotton gloves overnight. Wake up with baby soft hands. Feet glow up hacks. Hack 1. Soak feet in warm water plus salt plus lemon for 10 minutes. Scrub with pumice stone or foot file, remove dead skin. Hack 2. Apply thick moisturizer plus wear socks overnight. For quick fixes, use sheet foot masks. Hack 3. Apply potato juice or aloe vera gel daily for lightening. Use turmeric plus milk paste twice a week. Hack 4. Keep nails short, clean, and hydrated. Guys too, well-groomed feet matter more than you think. Special bonuses for those who are still watching the video. Quick daily routine. Wash, moisturize, sunscreen, hands. Soak once a week, scrub, moisturize, feet. Consistency is key. It literally takes 5 minutes a day. Remember, 2025 is the year of full glow up, head to toe. Take care of the parts others forget, and you'll stand out effortlessly. If you like this video, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little glow in their life. See you in the next one. Stay glowing, sparkles.